Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our fantastic listeners around the world. It is wonderful to be back here with you. I'm Adam.
It really is. Adam, you look very happy today. You are smiling a lot.
I am. I'm very happy because I am thinking about a vacation.
Ooh, a vacation. That is the best reason to smile. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to a beach, somewhere warm with the sun and the ocean.
That sounds perfect. Everyone loves a holiday. But, Adam, to get to the beach, you usually have to travel.
Yes, and that means the airport.
Exactly, the airport.
To be honest, Emily, airports make me a little nervous.
Really? Why is that?
They are so big and there are so many people. There are so many announcements in English. It can be scary.
I understand completely. Airports can be stressful, but that is why we are here today.
Yes, to help me and everyone listening feel better about the airport.
Correct. Today we are going to talk about the daily routine at the airport, from the moment you arrive until you get on the plane.
That is a great topic. Step by step. I like that.
Me too. But before we start our journey, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, please. If you are enjoying our channel, take 1 second to click the subscribe button.
And give this video a like. It helps us so much.
And please share this episode with your friends who love to travel.
Thank you so much. Okay, Adam, are you ready to go to the airport?
I am ready. I have my imaginary bags packed.
Great. So imagine you arrive at the airport. You walk through the big doors. What is the first thing you see?
I see a big board with times and city names.
Yes, that is the departures board.
Departures means planes leaving, right?
Yes, departures are planes going out. Arrivals are planes coming in.
Okay, so I look at the departures board. I look for my flight number.
Exactly. You find your flight, and it shows you which check-in counter to go to.
Check-in counter. That is the long desk with airline staff.
Yes, that is step one. At the check-in counter, you show two things. Do you know what they are?
My ticket
Yes, your ticket or your reservation number.
and my passport.
Correct. Your passport is the most important document.
So I say, hello, here is my passport.
Perfect. The agent will look at it. Then they will ask about your bags.
There are 2 types of bags, right?
Yes, checked bag and carry-on bag.
What is the checked bag?
The big suitcase. You give it to the agent. It goes under the plane.
Okay, big suitcase. Goodbye, bag.
Yes, and the carry-on is your small bag. You keep it with you on the plane.
Carry on. I carry it on. That is easy.
Exactly. But the checked bag has a weight limit.
What if my bag is too heavy?
You pay extra money, a fee.
I do not want a fee. I will pack light.
Good idea. Now, at the check-in counter, they may ask about your seat.
Like window or aisle?
Yes, window seat or aisle seat.
Window seat is next to the window. I can see the clouds. Aisle seat is next to the walkway.
Correct.
I think I like the aisle seat.
So you say, an aisle seat, please.
An aisle seat, please. I will remember that.
Great. After check-in, they give you a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Okay.
It is your key to the plane. Do not lose it.
I will keep it safe.
Now comes security.
Security makes me nervous.
If you are prepared, it is easy. You put your things in a tray.
What things?
Your carry-on, phone, wallet, keys, laptop.
Laptop out of the bag?
Yes.
Do I take off my shoes?
Usually, yes.
And my water bottle?
No liquids over 100 ml.
Okay, no water, shoes off, laptop out.
Then you walk through the metal detector.
Hopefully no beep.
Yes. After security, you are inside the terminal. The hard part is done.
Now I find my gate.
Yes, the gate is on your boarding pass.
Gate B42, for example.
Correct.
Before the flight, I like to get coffee.
Yes, many people relax at this time.
And I sit near the gate and wait.
Smart idea. Listen for announcements.
Like, now boarding.
Yes.
And sometimes delayed.
Sadly, yes. But we will imagine our flight is on time.
Perfect.
Then the agent says we are now boarding.
Boarding means we get on the plane.
Yes, you show your boarding pass again.
Then I walk through the jet bridge.
And you enter the plane.
The flight attendants smile and say hello.
Yes, then you find your seat and fasten your seatbelt.
Click.
After the flight, you land and go to immigration.
They check your passport again.
Yes, they may ask, what is the purpose of your visit?
I say vacation or business.
Correct.
Then I go to baggage claim,
Yes, you wait for your big suitcase.
and I walk through customs, and I am outside.
You made it. You survived the airport journey.
Step by step makes it simple.
Yes, travel becomes easier with the right vocabulary.
I feel ready to book my vacation now.
That is great. Where will you go?
Maybe Hawaii or Spain.
Both are amazing.
Thank you, Emily. This was very helpful.
I hope our listeners feel ready to travel too.
Traveling is a great way to practice English.
So true. We are almost at the end of our episode.
Time flies when you are having fun.
Listeners, tell us in the comments, window seat or aisle seat?
Write your answer with a reason.
And please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Share this video with your travel buddy.
Thank you so much for listening.
Safe travels, everyone.
Have a wonderful trip. Bye.
Goodbye. See you next time.